Ooh, hot. You ever do that? You know it's hot, but you still eat it anyway. And yeah, anyway. So, hey, visual here. It's good to get the visual division to make sure we understand what we're doing when we are dividing. So here in lesson number 3, all right, um, all right, draw a model represent 12 divided by 3. Okay, so let's just get back to the basics. 12 divided by 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, divided by 3. So the idea here is we want groups of 3. So 1, 2, 3, hello. 1, 2, 3, hello. 1, 2, 3, hello. You know where this is going. 1, 2, 3, exactly. There are exactly 4 groups. And that's the idea behind it. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So that's what we want to keep in mind here of what division is all about. So what we want to realize here is when we are dividing, all right, 8 ninths divided by 2 ninths. Okay, so visual wise here, that's my 1 whole. I'm going to get the visual down of 8 ninths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes. 8 of them are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. All right. And I want to divide into 2 ninths. Now, because each box is worth 1 ninth. All right. And we know that because we took 8 ninths and we broke it on up into groups of 9. We're dividing by 2 ninths. So I need to use 2 boxes here because a ninth and a ninth makes our 2 ninths. So for every 2 of them would make 2 ninths. And perfect. How many groups did we make? Yeah, we made 4 of them. So our answer is 4 here as well. So again, visually, we want to understand what we're doing. The reason why this is important is because a lot of times we see 8 ninths, we see 2 ninths, and we're like, we should get a fraction for an answer. And we're like, whoa, how do we get 4? Well, because it takes 4 groups of 2 ninths to make the 8 ninths that's there. So again, the understanding of how we got a bigger number for an answer, that's why we like our visual that's here. All right, so we're going to skip that one. Example 3. All right, 7 ninths divided by 3 ninths. So, okay, visually, all right, 7 ninths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to shade in 7 of them, 3 of them, 4 of them, 5 of them, 6 of them, 7 of them. All right. But now I need 3 ninths. Divide them up into groups of 3 ninths. So that gives me 3 for a group, 3 for a group, but I've got one that's left over. Okay. So as we are looking at this, I made 2 groups. So that's my whole that we're looking at. All right. There was one that was left over, and we were trying to make them into groups of 3. So there it is, 2 and 1/3. So the connection we want you to see here is it's the mixed number portion. All right. What we're really doing, if we want to think about it, is if we're dividing here, okay, how many groups of 3 can we take out of 7? So what we're doing, wait, hold on. Let's go up this. This is really what's going on. We're used to seeing it as an improper fraction. So how many groups of 3 can I take out of 7? 2. How many pieces were left over? Well, 1, because I was at 6, and I was trying to put them in groups of 3. So that's the connection of what we really got going on here. Now, the reason why this works out is because, look, we've got these common denominators down there. But as we know from adding and subtracting, that's like the worst thing to do is to have to get common denominators. So we're not always we're gonna find a different method, a faster, more efficient method than doing those common denominators that we're dealing with. But for right now, they're going to give us all common denominators, which is nice, all right, as we kind of go through them. So let's do one more that's here. That 3 is a good one to look at, all right. Wait, found a better one, number 4. Number 4, 13 tenths. Now, the reason why this is a better one is because it's an improper fraction. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes. If I shade all of them in, that's 1 whole. But I need more than 1 whole. I need 13 tenths. So that's 3 more boxes. So they're all shaded. So in an improper fraction, they're all going to be shaded because it's greater than 1. I need 2 tenths for each of them. Well, as we saw, each is worth a tenth, so I need boxes of 2. So there's 1 of them, 2 of them, 3 of them, 4 of them, 5 of them, 6 of them with 1 left over. So I made a group of 6, all right? I had 1 left over. I was trying to make groups of 2, right? Because there were 2 to make each box. So that's what we're kind of focusing in on today with your lesson number 3. Again, just understanding division and understanding that, hey, we can get a bigger number when we divide with fractions. And the reason is because it takes a fraction's a small amount. It's not quite a whole. It takes a few of them to make one whole. That's your idea behind it. So I think things have cooled off over here. So yeah, we're good now. So I'm gonna say goodbye so I can get back to this before it gets cold. Oh, you're still there? You're still, yeah, I'm still good. That's here. All right. Let's make sure we can get this closed off here. All right. It's recording. Let's see. There we go. Okay, I got it. Bye.